What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Bondo. Welcome back to another episode of CT Dragon. So today's video, it's not going to be anything super special, but I feel like it needs to be done for the route that I'm doing with all the shit that I'm thinking about doing to this car. So we got ourselves a harness bar that I've had for a while. Never got to use it. I also have NRG harnesses, and I also have some brand new LEDs for these because I remember this one went bad or something was wrong. And don't mind that pipe. That was me and Randy fucking around thinking about ideas what to do. But yeah, man, let's just get straight into it. Let's just start installing it.
It makes money to get money, baby.
Alright, guys, so these are the LEDs that I bought. These are always the ones that I mess with. They've always worked for me and they were cheap. Most Plus, check them out. They're on eBay. They actually have a website as well.
Don't take his suggestions on clutch, guys, cause...
Shut the fuck up. So let's get these on. Well, guys, these are it. It's hard to do this with one hand. These are it. There's not a lot of wiring that you have to do. They literally just plug right up. And they're supposed to be really bright, so... Well, they usually are. So let's get those in. This side didn't work with the wiring. It was all raggedy and it wasn't really connected right. So I redid the whole wiring, electric taped it. I'm going to sneak it through this little part right here. Somewhat tucked under the bumper. See? Comes up right there. Then take the headlight. Put this baby on. You know what I'm saying? Now that we got this on, the LED, plug this little bad boy on and bolt the shit right back up. Alright, guys, so the headlights are on now. LEDs are on. Everything's plugged up. They should work now. See how bright they are.
They're not gonna work. Don't believe him. He hasn't posted videos in like a year. I told you.
Nah, that's not what the problem is.
Nah, I told you. I was right.
No.
See? I told, oh, now they're working.
The battery's dead. So that's done. Now it's time to put on the harness.
My harness.
Alright, now that we got that working, the headlights working, I'll fix the because what's happening also, this fan isn't going on at all, even when we put it direct. So there's something, I'll figure something out. We're trying to fix that, but what we're gonna do is get to the harness bar and our harness belts. This dude is putting a light bar on the Jeep and they're like manufacturing their own mounts. So we'll see how that turns out too. But let's get this harness bar in. Right now, we are going to take out that seat belt, this seat belt, and get this harness bar in. You ready?
No.
I've never done this before, so I might mess up. Letting you know ahead of time.
I know, I'm not.
So let's get that going.
Wheeling.
Alright, guys, so we got that piece of the belt out. So now we can start mounting things up. I'll take that side out in a couple, or I'll have Hector do it. So I'll show you guys when it's completely in. Alright, so I got the belts off. So the bar is about to go on now. Hector's helping me out. And we did a test fit and it actually looks pretty dope. So
I'm not helping him, guys. He's a lunatic. 860.
Alright, so we got this part in. Now we gotta put the two little bars to hold it up. And then we should be set and we should be able to run the harness bars. Well, the harnesses, I mean. So I'll show you guys when it's done. Alright, guys, so this is the day after. I got too wasted that day. Yeah, it's just not even. We're gonna get back to this. The LEDs are on. The harness bar is on. Let me show you guys where we left off because I honestly don't even know where we left off. So the harness is in. Everything is tight. You know what I mean? The only ones that I have to worry about are these. And this is super simple to install. You don't need no crazy washers, no nothing. Just use the same bolts that were on your seatbelt. Bang, 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 and then the other side. Now, this is what I wanted to show you guys because there's not enough content. There's not enough content for how to install an actual harness. And I'm not by any means, I'm not a professional whatsoever. But I actually found out some guy, I forget what his YouTube channel is, but I'll post him. I'll put it up here, right here, to check out his video. But he shows you how to lock the actual shit in place and how to properly install it. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to do that. I'm tweaking. It's this one, not this one. This stays on. This one comes off. I had already taken it off of this. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little tired. Been working all day. Over and under. Over. Alright, pull it as much as you want. Alright, take this, you're gonna lock it. Once you do this, you lock it. I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but really what you want to do is go under the bar, over the bar, inside the bar, so it looks like this, and then to lock it into place, after you adjust it, which I'm gonna do now before I forget. Alright, now that we got that, this one's fully adjusted. So the right one is fully adjusted. Take the other one, right? Put it over the seat. Do it the same exact. Oh, God damn it. My bad. So do it the same exact way. Go over, under and over. Bang. Move this thing how much you have to move it. Fix this one. Bang. Put this under here. Alright. Go under. Come on. Under and over. That's about where I want it. Maybe a little bit more. That's about right. So now that those are locked in, I'm gonna put these under. Now that is what locks them. That is what locks them in when you tighten it. You put it over. So let me show you guys with this one again. Hopefully I'm getting a good shot. So how I had it over, under and over. Put it through the other side. Like so. Come on. Lock it. And bang. Alright, so they're locked in, they're tight, everything's fitted the way I want it. I might adjust it again one more time after I'm done. But now that we got those in, it's time to get the ones that bolts up to here, so I have to take these off again. I forgot to do that. Alright, so now that I've taken that off, alright, you take off the bolt from right here. Mind you, this is for an EK. Most of the time it's always going to be the same way for every other car. So that's alright. After a couple minutes talking to the Randingo, that's how it goes on. So this comes up. Hold on. Alright, so this comes up. Ba-bang. Comes apart. Alright, just like that. This one's the one that goes right in between your middle. This pad is so it doesn't irritate you. Slip this through. Bang. and you're locked in place. So let me get this one and this one on. This one we'll probably save for another time because I feel like I have to drill a hole, and I really don't feel like doing that right now, nor do I want to put holes in the car like that. So we'll see what happens. But who knows? I don't even know. Randy was telling me too, we don't even know if without this it'll even lock. So we'll see. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Alright, now that we got an understanding of how that goes, we're going to take this, right, the bolt that I took off of here, take this, slide that over, put this, alright, this is hard to do with one hand. Give me 1 second. Alright, now that you got that all set, that's all bolted up, just put it over the bar. Now that that's set, I actually have to take out the seat to put the other side. I forgot about that. So we're just going to take out the seat real quick. Alright, that's the video, guys. If mine wasn't helpful, it's extra slow harness bar install on Evo X connecting harness, which is the same shit I was just explaining. So to put the one on their side, I'm taking off this bolt right here. I took off the plastic, and then we're going to put that one right here.
You know which ones those taste like?
Now that we got this one on, I'm assuming this one has to be drilled into like right here somewhere to hold that, like right there or like this, either or. So I'm not doing that right now, so I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna put this in my handy dandy snap-on toolbox. Put this bitch back in here and install the seat back on so we can see how this harness looks. Alright, my seat is back in. These are actually going to be sold today to Buddha. They're going to go in his hatch. These are real SI seats. They're just a little dirty. But I'm planning on getting some different seats, and when the time comes, you'll know. So I'm going to adjust these real quick, and then I'll show you guys how to buckle it. Alright guys, so I'm here with Hector and Buddha. They helped me out to put this shit in. And it's going to be the official time that we actually put it on and it fits well. No one showed me how to fucking do this. I had to figure this shit out.
It took you like 20 minutes.
No, I'm talking about this, the actual locked-in portion. So this little part right here, you grab these two, put them together. I don't know if the camera's catching it. Put them together like that. Put this thing right through. And then the locking pin, just put it right through. Pull the lever. Oh shit. Come on. Can't see. And bang. So the seat belt is in and it feels pretty good. It's gonna be dope. This is the first time I ever do this.
Those are dope.
Right? It looks dope, right? Now imagine this. Time out. Well, anyways, that's it for today's video. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.